Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna film a video that's TDM, Team Deathmatch, but there's gonna be a twist to it. I can either use the Uzi, Vector, or the shotgun. So you only use one of those three weapons, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure that you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications, and make sure you don't forget, make sure to share this video with as many friends as you can. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate it a lot. So, yeah. Ooh, I got a scar. It's sad, but I have to let it go.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Game already started. I'm gonna go with the Uzi just for now. So, in my opinion, I think it shoots faster than the Vector. I feel more comfortable with it than the Vector.
Nice shot! Cover me! Reloading!
I don't even know. That guy, I shot him so many times and he did not die. I don't even know. I'm gonna try dropping a 10 bomb.
No mercy! Cover me!
And he's going for the reload. Come in.
Nice shot!
Always wait for your teammate to reload. I mean your enemy to reload. And then go in on them if you're damaged a little. Because while they're reloading, you can just easily get them. So again, I'm just going to try to drop a 10 bomb. Nothing much.
Reloading!
It's just hard. Because like, I don't really have a scope of this. So I'm just going to switch to the Vector for a bit. And then I'll switch back to the Uzi. That guy stole my kill right there.
Kill!
I had to reload. 12-12. Ooh, this is like switching back to the Uzi, guys. Oh no, we better not lose this. Come on. I'm not playing that well. I don't know what's happening.
Reloading! Cover me!
To reload, come on.
Reloading!
Like that. I know my game is glitching. Like that. I don't know, just like cutting up every little bit.
Is in the lead.
Enemy down!
Yeah, I doubt I'll be able to drop a 10 bomb. Probably gonna get like 8 kills probably. Something around there.
Nice shot!
I'm just gonna camp here for a bit.
No mercy!
7 kills. Come on, I just need 3 more kills and then I'll drop that 10 bomb. To be honest, I don't even use the Uzi that much.
Expired! Cover me!
8 kills.
Kill!
9 kills. That guy got me there. I was too busy with those 2 guys, and then I killed one of them, the other one got lucky and ran away. my aim is bad. You guys saw that I missed like every single shot. One of the like big reasons I don't like the Uzi is you see when you scope in with the like the force scope or any scope, it's like that. And that I don't know, I just don't like it.
And the blue
I
team
wish if they give you an
is in
option
the
to
lead.
change it, but like they don't.
No mercy!
Yes, 10 kills.
Reloading.
Dropped the 10 bomb for you guys. Come on, my teammates behind me. So I can heal up.
Great! You're about
Yes.
to win!
The blue team is about to win.
I'm gonna try to get the final kill for you guys. Oh my. My aim is just bad today. I don't know what's up with me. My aim is bad. I wish if I filmed that I was playing solos and I won.